Hey Garden Fam, it's February, it's muddy, and it's prime time to plan, plant and panic just a little, because today's garden tour is packed. In this video, we're walking you through what's currently thriving in the garden, what we're planting next. Hint, broccoli's back. Our seed starting setup with zero fluff. Exactly what to grow in February, zone by zone. How to avoid slugs without selling your soul. And the slightly unhinged but effective way we're getting rid of them. If you've ever asked yourself, can I grow anything this month? Or will slugs just eat my dreams? This one's for you. Drop a comment if your garden's growing or groaning this month. And don't forget, the AI gardening app from Strong Echo is like your plant whisperer in your pocket. It IDs pests, helps plan your grow list, and basically turns you into a garden genius. Let's dig in. You can grow it. Brassica growing tips, from baby broccoli to big-time harvests. We are deep in Brassica territory. Broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, the cool weather MVPs. Here's what's working and what to watch out for. What's working? Spacing. We're giving 18-24 inches between plants. Brassicas are leafy drama queens. Give them space or they'll sulk. Compost boost. We worked in worm castings and compost before planting. These guys are hungry. Floating row cover. Keeps them cozy and keeps cabbage moths from laying eggs. Like a plant. Snuggie plus security system. Common mistakes to avoid. Overcrowding. Cramped roots equals stunted heads. Let those leaves sprawl. Too much nitrogen. Big leaves, no heads. Balance with phosphorus. Think bone meal or fish emulsion. Planting too late. In warmer zones, brassicas can bolt as temps rise. Get them in early. Pro tip: if your cauliflower is turning yellow or purple, it's sunburned. Use the outer leaves to self-wrap the head or use shade cloth. And if your plants look sad and you don't know why, snap a photo and let the AI gardening app do the detective work. CSI, cauliflower. What we're planting this month, round 2, brassicas. Even in February we're planting. Why? Because succession planting equals extended harvest plus less panic. This month we're planting more broccoli and cauliflower, obviously. Lettuce between them, because shade and salad go together. Starting kale and cabbage indoors for transplanting later. Tips: rotate beds. Don't plant brassicas where you did last season unless you love clubroot. Use seed trays with deep cells to avoid transplant shock. Label your trays, or you'll be playing seedling roulette in 3 weeks. Mistakes to avoid: planting in soggy soil. It compacts, rots roots, and makes the plants moody. Forgetting about pest protection. Slugs and cabbage worms are already watching you. Let the AI app map out your planting zones and suggest the best crop pairings for your garden size. No more guessing, just growing. Seedling tips: grow them strong. Seedlings are the toddlers of the plant world. Cute, needy, and prone to sudden collapse. How we're raising ours. Strong grow lights, 1-2 inches above the canopy. Bottom watering only to avoid mold and damping off. Fan on low for a few hours a day to simulate wind means stronger stems. Weekly diluted fish emulsion after the first true leaves appear. Common seedling sins: stretchy, leggy growth. Lights too weak or too far away. Floppy stems, no airflow. Get that fan moving. Watering from the top, mold city. Don't do it. Using garden soil in trays, save that chaos for your enemies. Bonus tip: if your seedlings are yellowing, it might be a nutrient deficiency or just bad drainage. The AI app can help troubleshoot based on your photo and zone. Tech magic. What to grow in February? Zone smart, not hard. Let's break it down by goal and climate. Cool zones, 4 to 6. Spinach, arugula, onions from sets, peas, early brassicas indoors. Milder zones, 7 to 9. Lettuce, kale, radishes, direct sown carrots, broccoli and cauliflower transplants. Warm zones, 10 plus. Tomatoes and peppers indoors. Basil indoors. Transplant herbs and greens outside. Start warm crops under protection. Not sure your zone or timing? Simply ask our AI garden buddy. How to avoid slugs. No violence, just strategy. Slugs are out here living rent-free and munching your babies. But we've got tactics. Our anti-slug playbook. Crushed eggshells around stems. Slugs don't like sharp paths. Copper tape around raised beds. It gives them a little buzz. Morning watering only. Dry soil at night equals less slug traffic. Tidy garden equals fewer hideouts. Remove leaves, debris, overgrown mulch. Mistakes that invite slugs. Heavy nighttime watering. Over-mulching close to stems. Ignoring the early signs. Holes in new leaves equals red flag. Don't want to crawl around with a flashlight at 10 p.m? Yeah, me neither. Just let the AI app ID the damage and recommend slug-safe solutions. How to get rid of slugs with beer, baby. Now for the fun and oddly satisfying part, beer traps. How it works. Pour beer into a shallow container. Use cheap stuff. They're not picky. Bury it level with the soil. Slugs are attracted, fall in, and that's the end of the party. They get tipsy, you get your garden back. Win-win, sort of. Bonus traps. Upside down grapefruit rinds. Collect them in the morning. Wood boards. Slugs hide under, you ambush them. Mistakes to avoid. Trap too shallow. They crawl out. Beer too old. Yes, even slugs have standards. Forgetting to empty the trap. Slugs don't stand a chance when you combine old school tricks with new school tech. February gardening tips. February looks quiet, but it's the month that decides how good your spring will be. First, walk the garden and spot problems early. Soggy patches, wind damage, and sad leaves only get worse later. Next, feed the soil now with a top dress of compost or worm castings, then add a light mulch layer to protect it. Not a thick slug hotel, just a cozy blanket. This is also prime time to plan succession planting, especially for broccoli and cauliflower. Plant in waves so you don't get one giant harvest and a fridge meltdown. Clean and sharpen your tools, check your watering setup before it becomes a crisis, and label anything you sow because all seedlings look like tiny green mysteries right now. And if you're not sure what's best for your zone, ask the Strong Echo AI gardening app for quick February timing and crop picks. February garden mistakes to avoid. Let's save you from spring regret. Mistake number 1, working wet soil. If it clumps like cookie dough, don't dig or walk on it. You'll compact it into a brick and your plants will hate you. Mistake 2, overwatering seedlings. Too much water invites fungus and damping off, and your seedlings will flop like they've given up on life. Mistake 3, starting seeds too early without strong light. That's how you get leggy plant spaghetti. Mistake 4, planting outside too early without protection. One cold snap and your head start becomes compost. Mistake 5, ignoring slugs until you see holes. By then they've already booked dinner reservations. And finally, don't skip hardening off seedlings. Ease them into outdoor life slowly, or they'll sunburn and sulk. Recap. That's the tour, friends. We've got brassicas thriving, seedlings stretching, slugs panicking, and you planning your next move. Hit the comments and tell us, what are you growing this month? What's your #1 pest problem? Or just tell us your weirdest garden story. We'll take that too. And remember, the AI gardening app is your always-on garden buddy. Whether you're battling bugs, picking your next crop, or just wondering, what is this fungus? You'll get instant answers. Thanks for hanging out, and always remember, you can grow it.